Thanks to my parents for sponsoring me for this video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I am posting. Today's video is part 2 of my little haul, my shopping haul. So the last one, if you did not see, was a Family Dollar kind of haul. I did a skin mask and some creams and stuff. If you can see that shadow behind me, it's my dog. I don't know why she's obsessed with this light, but yeah, she just keeps walking back and forth in front of it. It's bringing off some heat, so I think she likes that. Yeah, the next store that I went to like 3 different stores, so I didn't want the video to be super long, but yeah, we're doing it in 3 parts, but this part of the video is from Sephora. I'm super excited, so excited. So I got some tissue paper. I just went and bought a bunch of tissue paper. Just kidding. I got a foundation from Too Faced, which I have used before, the sample, but I was so excited to be able to buy it this time because I really do like this foundation. I love it. And the packaging is adorable, you guys. I know people have seen this already. Like, I know that. I know this is nothing new, but I'm buying it for the first time. And I just feel like so luxurious having this because this is a really expensive bottle of foundation. And I am not going to take that lightly. Okay, so it's a pump. I like it. I like it. Let's see what else I got. I also got some Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Beauty Powder. I'm excited to try this out today. I got the shade Coffee, and the reason that I got the shade Coffee is because I have face powders, but I feel like none of them are like, I like to powder my contour. So that was why I got this dark one. I could have gotten banana, but I just literally just bought a banana powder, so I'm gonna chill on that. So I'm gonna open it from the bottom because I don't want to rip this. I absolutely love this packaging. I touched the top, which I'm actually really upset about. My fingerprints is on it. I could use this as a mirror. It really is a mirror. Like, legitimately, guys. Like, it's a mirror. Like, you could take this on the go and not need to bring a mirror. There's something, excuse me, there's something else in here. Oh, you have to put this in yourself. Okay, that's cool. What else did I get? Concealers. Now I got the shades 420 and 495. Now the 420 is to highlight and the 495 is to contour. I am a little bit regretting that I got the 420, but with Sephora you can always take things back and exchange them or return them if you need to. So that's a good thing because if it's too dark, if it's not light enough, if it's not going to highlight, I think I'll be good. Now, normally I reference Jackie Aina for my shades sometimes, which is why I got the shade Spiced Rum for my foundation. And she uses 420 for her Fenty, which was what I was supposed to get for my Fenty foundation, and I just didn't for whatever reason. I just don't know. I feel like I should have went with 410 for the concealer to highlight, but we'll see. So I'm going to use the Too Faced foundation, the concealers, and the powder today. I'm going to grab a translucent powder, my Pretty Vulgar, and we're going to get started testing these products. I'm going to be using this brush today for foundation. This is the M439. I'm excited to use this one. So I'm going to go in with this Too Faced medium to full coverage foundation, oil free. I don't know if you're supposed to shake this foundation, but I shake all my foundations just because I feel like oils separate and stuff, even though this says it's oil free. They all say that, don't they? And 2 pumps. I love the coverage of this foundation. And again, so much is not needed. Like, you don't need a ton for this foundation. And I am not using a primer today just because I want to keep this video to the products that I just bought. So, and I'd like to know how foundations work without primer sometimes. I don't ever review that, but I do test them without it. So this is the first time that I'm testing this foundation without it. Now on to the concealers. As you guys know, I've changed my foundation routine a bit, so I will be contouring first. And again, I'm going to open this from the bottom because I don't want to mess up that seal. I just think, I don't know why I like it. It's just so nice. I don't even know how long I'm going to keep these boxes, but I can't believe I have this. Like, it's unreal. Like, it doesn't feel real that I own this product. I'm going to go in with a very little bit, just a little bit. Oh, I like the way this brush is, the way that is. So I'm going to go in, I want this to be a high, so I'm just going to put a few dots. Okay, I love this packaging, just beautiful. And I'm going to go in with this contour brush from Morphe. I like the shade that I got. I'm happy I went with the shade that I went with. Oh, do you guys hear that? It snaps closed. I like that. I like knowing that stuff is closed. I like this formula. I like how easy it is to blend. I will say that. It's not too thick, so I definitely could have gone in with a little more, but for a light contour, this is fine. We ain't going nowhere today, so. So now on to the highlighting concealer. This is in the shade 420. Again, opening it from the bottom. This seems like it might be a little lighter. I don't know. They look like the same color. We'll see. If anything, it just will do what it's supposed to do as a concealer. I like these concealers. These might be, I mean, I've already, I don't know. I don't know. These might be what's new. These might be in my everyday regimen. I don't know. I like it. I'm liking these concealers. Really liking them. I like them. I mean, I do look pretty flawless right now. Like, I like them. In person, they look really good. I don't have any issues with them. I know a lot of people were not liking them, and I couldn't understand why. I love it. I love it. I feel like I picked the perfect shades. I don't know. I like it. I like it. On to the powdering. So I'm going to powder my under eye really quick so that I don't crease. Now we're going on to the powder, which I'm super excited about. I have to be honest, I'm really excited about the powder. Look at that. So what is this for? Is this like a replacement? Oh wow, they gave you a replacement? I wonder why. I mean, I guess if you don't want a lot to come out, why is there a replacement? Or do I put this on there? I'm so confused. Oh, it's not a replacement. It's to close it up when you're done. Okay. Got it. I was so confused because, you know, it can spill everywhere. I like that. You just put it in there so it doesn't spill everywhere. You just take it out. Okay, Fenty. Miss Riri, you're doing your thing out here. That was really smart. That was really smart. And it makes it seem, you know, feel like you're getting your money's worth. I mean, I feel like you are anyway, but a lot of people didn't like how much the price. I mean, yes, I would opt for something a little more cheaper, but a little more affordable. I won't say cheap because cheap products aren't good products. So a little more affordable would be nice, but it's Fenty. You have to, what do you expect? So for my contour, love this. Love this. I could have gone a shade lighter for my entire face, but I really intended to use this powder for my contour because I can never powder my contour, and it's so annoying because that is what becomes oily really fast because there's no powder on it. Because I feel like once I put face powder on it, it just kind of makes the contour disappear. I love this powder. Love it. I love this powder. Without putting it in anything, I would just use this to blend everything. And clean everything up. And we are good to go. I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy. I am a fan. I am a fan. I'm a fan. I was a little skeptical because of the foundation that I picked out, which is not her fault. That's my fault. But I love it. I want to get more powders. I want to get more concealers. I want to get everything. I hate the price point, but some of the, like, once you really sit down and think about it, some of the things that are included, like the little thing that I did not just use, it makes it worth it, which it is, because I tipped that just a little bit and it all came out. So we'll have to use some more before I can put it back on. I just got to make sure I don't tip it again. But I love the packaging. This is so luxurious. Like, I feel like this is something like, don't touch. You have to have clean hands to touch. Like, that's how I feel with this stuff. I feel really good about it. I love this foundation already. You guys know that. I'm in love with everything that I got from Sephora. I'm super happy the way everything turned out. Yeah, if you guys have any Fenty products or you didn't have any Fenty products, tell me which ones you like. Tell me which ones you think you're interested in buying. I'm super excited about all of this. I definitely recommend that if you are trying to get good quality makeup, this is something to invest in if you're trying to make that investment. If you're not really into makeup like that, no, I don't suggest that you go and buy this. It's just not, it wouldn't be worth it. But yeah, so I love you all so much. If you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.